Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn income by promoting products and earning commissions. With the right strategies, you can reach your first $1,000 faster than you think. Selecting the right programs is key to success. Choose affiliate programs that align with your audience and offer competitive commissions. Focus on high conversion rates, generous commissions, and trusted brands. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank are great for beginners. Content drives affiliate sales. Create content that helps your audience, like detailed product reviews and how-to guides. Your content should solve problems or provide valuable information, encouraging clicks on your affiliate links. SEO brings organic traffic to your site, increasing affiliate sales. Use keyword research to find low competition, high traffic keywords. Optimize your content with keywords and build backlinks from authoritative websites to improve your ranking. Promote affiliate products on social media like Facebook and Instagram to engage with potential buyers. Share valuable content and affiliate links on various platforms to reach your audience and generate sales. Track your performance to reach your first $1,000. Monitor click-through rates and analyze your traffic for improvement. By focusing on high-performing strategies, you can scale your efforts and increase your earnings. With these tips, you can achieve your first $1,000 in affiliate commissions. Stay consistent and optimize your efforts.